Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's makeup tutorial is going to be regarding Kiara Advani's reception makeup look, which got very popular on social media. So I tried creating the similar look. Now I didn't have the same jewelry or the same outfit, but what I can do is I can recreate the makeup. So I've come here and I'll be sharing all the steps with you guys to how to recreate her reception look. So without wasting your time, let's get started and let me show you how to create Kiara's look. So I've already done my skincare, but I'm going to be directly jumping into the first step, which is going to be the moisturizer. So I'm using the Cetaphil oil control moisturizer, which is perfect for the people who have oily skin, and it is a little thick moisturizer, but again works amazing for people who have oily skin. After moisturizer, I'm going to be jumping and directly doing my eyebrows, and I'm using this brow freeze from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be brushing it over my eyebrow hair and just trying to give a little lifted look. So just brushing all my eyebrow hair in the upwards direction. And for the eyebrow pencil, I'm using NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Espresso, and will be filling in the gaps in my eyebrow and making it look thick and even. And I will be following the same steps on the other side as well and filling in the gaps. Now to clean my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking a concealer on a pointed brush and will be cleaning all the areas nearby my eyebrow just to make it look more sharp and edgy. Please remember, we are not taking a lot of product here. A little is a little goes a long way, that's we say. So just take a little bit of concealer and you're good to go. Once the eyebrow is done, I'm going to be diving into the foundation. So I'm using this Makeup by Mario foundation, which is one of the beautiful dewy foundation. Don't worry, I'm going to be sharing the detailed video on this foundation super soon. So I'm using this foundation now, and which will give me a little dewy look, and it is a very lightweight foundation, but again a buildable, and you can build to a medium coverage to the full coverage. I'm only making it look as natural as possible, and since it has a dewy effect, so that's why I'm using this foundation, and we'll be applying it all over my face, and then using a beauty blender will be blending it out. For concealer, I'm using two concealer. One is from NARS, another from Huda Beauty. We'll be applying it under my eyes and also on all the areas which I need to highlight, and then leaving it on for a couple of minutes so that it settles down into my skin. And for contour, I'm using Huda Beauty concealer again and using it as for a contour purposes. While my concealer is setting, I'm going to be directly diving into the eye makeup. For eyeshadow, I'm taking this very minimal brown shade, and we'll be using it the only transition color on my eye, and will be just applying it all over my eyelid. Once that is done, I'm going to be using a concealer brush and will be blending my concealer on both of the areas where I've applied the concealer. Using a contour brush, will be contouring my face and blending out the contour which I have applied on my face. Now let's move on to the loose powder. I'm going to be using this Hourglass Luxurious Loose Powder, and will be applying it under my eyes and doing a little bit of baking as well. Eyeliner, I'm using NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade Black, and will be drawing a thick eyeliner close to my lash line. Now she had a very thick wing eyeliner, but the wing was not too far, so I'm just going to be doing the similar thing and applying a thick eyeliner close to my lash line. You can use a gel eyeliner as well, but I'm using this pen eyeliner. And for my waterline, I'm using this white eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics and applying it on the waterline. This is a great tip to open up your eyes. And for the lower lashes, I'm going to be applying the brown shade just to highlight the lower lash line and make my eyes look more opened up, just how Kiara had. And then using a eyelash curler, will be curling my eyelashes. For mascara, I'm using a Legit Lashes mascara from Huda Beauty, and will be applying the mascara on both of my eyelashes. Blush, I'm using this cream blush from Pixie Beauty, which is a very natural blush, you guys, and it also has a glowy dewy effect. That's why I'm using it. Applying it on the apple of my cheeks, and then using a beauty blender will be blending it out. And to top it off, I'm using this powder blush from NARS, and it also has a little shimmer effect in it, and will be applying it on the apple of my cheeks using a brush. For the highlighter, I'm using Rare Beauty highlighter, which is my one of the favorite products. I've recently discovered it and I'm just loving it, and it is very natural highlighter. Will be applying it on the high points of my cheeks. For lipstick, I'm using this Maybelline Superstay lipstick, and the shade is mentioned down below in the description. It is a coral shade, just exactly how the Kiara was wearing it. And here completes our makeup look, you guys. So I've added some jewelry. I've made a sleek bun with a middle partition. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below and let me know. I will be more than happy to answer it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.